Battery tips. Charge the device. Use the original charger to maintain optimal battery performance over the life of your device. The battery comes partially charged. When new, a fully discharged battery on the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G requires up to 27 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and up to 75 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G requires up to 28 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and up to 75 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G requires up to 28 minutes to charge from 0 to 50% and up to 72 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. You can use the device while charging. Battery life and charge cycles vary by use and settings. While charging, the charging icon will be displayed in the notification bar. The Samsung Galaxy S21 5G has a standby time of up to 270 hours and a talk time of up to 30 hours. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G has a standby time of up to 290 hours and a talk time of up to 37 hours. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G has a standby time of up to 285 hours and a talk time of up to 37 hours. View battery usage. To view the device's battery usage, from the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar. Then select the settings icon. Scroll to and select Battery and Device Care. Select Battery. Select Usage since full charge. The apps and features that are consuming battery will be displayed. Conserve battery life. To turn on power saving mode, from the battery screen, select Power Saving Mode switch. To access more display options, from the settings screen, select Display. To reduce screen brightness, select and drag the brightness slider to the desired brightness setting. To enable adaptive brightness, select the Adaptive Brightness switch. To set a shorter screen timeout, scroll to and select Screen Timeout. Then select the desired option. To turn off video wallpapers, from the settings screen, select Wallpaper. Then navigate to and select the desired option that is not a video wallpaper. Disable features when not in use to help conserve battery life. From the home screen, swipe down from the notification bar twice. If enabled, select Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and location to turn them off. To disable apps from auto-updating, from the home screen, select the Play Store app. Select the menu icon, then select Settings. Select Auto-Update Apps. Select Don't Auto-Update Apps, then select Done. To turn off AutoSync, from the settings screen, scroll to and select Accounts and Backup. Select Manage Accounts. Select the AutoSync data switch to disable AutoSync. Select OK to confirm. If disabling AutoSync, remember to turn it back on to allow apps to download new emails or social media posts. If you are traveling and do not have access to mobile or Wi-Fi networks, switch to airplane mode. Swipe down from the notification bar, then select the airplane mode icon. Select Turn On.